Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today is Monday, November 7th of 2022, is where I just filmed another video earlier, I would say 1 hour ago. And yeah, and we're going to 378 hallway. And if you guys didn't see the fit from the last video, that I filmed earlier, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, I think. His black pants, shirt, and this jacket, and daylight saving times has changed. So now the night is longer and the day is shorter. And surprisingly, I'm thinking that since the day is shorter, the time will be going by so slow. But it's not. So in my defense, it's okay, something else, right? But it's good that sunrise is at 6:40. That way everyone here at school doesn't have to be in the dark until till 7:15, until the till the bell rings to go to first period. So yeah, but now it's actually good because it's light. So that way when the bell rings at 7:15, starting to go to first period, then yes, that's when it's the sun starts to make its way up into the air. But here's a difference, there's more of the differences, Yeah, and we are here. See? 370 doors right there. I'm gonna be right here next to these two signs, fixing up my shoes. Yeah, why not, right? And today, just gonna go home after school, do some workouts, and probably go out later in the evening since I'm supposed to. So I might cut the editing on this video short. So once I upload this YouTube video to after when I get home and stuff onto my computer, because I'm gonna edit it and then it'll be done. But I'm not gonna put it up for premiering just yet. So I'm gonna keep editing it maybe this weekend, upcoming weekend or so. I'm gonna wait for him now. Water. What? I don't understand what's taking him so long. Because. What? What's up, bro? What you doing?
I'm trying to learn Ash.
He has 369. What is that class?
369, that's no history.
That's tough that you don't have him.
That's standard history.
Dang. I guess he failed. Normal history with who? Who did he have for history?
What?
Last year?
Stay. It was an AP geography class.
Well, then he failed. So he has to do this.
He didn't take that. That's my friend. I didn't pass it. I didn't pass it last year. They put me in world history.
I mean, bro, really? You're not trying to answer me on TikTok?
What do you mean?
You're not on it?
I haven't been on TikTok. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's fine. See ya. But did Nathan pass world history last year? Because he should be in honors.
I don't know.
That's just crazy.
Alright, see you.
That teacher has a big beard though. He needs to shave that shit. See ya. Let's go. Girl. What is that paper for? Huh? What is it for? Is what I'm asking.
There, no.
Well, then you should put that away.
Well, second. Yeah.
Hey, where you going? Shut up.
Shut up. Okay.
You gotta put that away then.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Wednesday, I might not come.
Why?
What do you mean, why? Also, everyone's not gonna come on Wednesday. That dumb. Fine, if you get stuck here, that's not my problem. I'm just telling you, from now, what? I'm just telling you from now that, like, I might not come on Wednesday because it's gonna be raining.
So where is she now? Okay, I'm like 5 of you.
Alright. So, 11:25, you're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just checking. Stand at the spot. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, November 8th of 2022. Bye, guys. And yes, the wind speeds right now is up to 18 miles an hour. If you guys can hear. Bye, guys.